How to deposit checks into Netspend account. For this, you can perform this action through your Netspend application. Open your Netspend application. Tap on Log In. If you are new to it, go ahead and sign up. To log in to your Netspend account, make sure to enter a credential, that is your username and your password. You can tap on Remember Username for easy access. Then also enable your fingerprint login. Then tap on Log In. Once you are logged in to your Netspend account, you have to go ahead and select the option of Move Money. Then you will find this option where you have to select Mobile Check Load. So from here, you can actually capture the photograph of your check, front and the back of the check, and also make sure that you have added your signature, amount of money, account to transfer in your check. Once you have clicked on it, you'll be able to load money into your Netspend account through your deposit checks. If not, you can also do this from your Netspend reload location, for which you have to visit the reload location and ask if they offer check deposit services for Netspend account. Provide the endorsed check to the cashier along with your Netspend account information. The cashier will process the deposit and the funds should be available in your account. You can also direct deposit. For this, you have to set up a direct deposit and provide your Netspend account number and routing number to the entity using the check. For an example, your employer. Once the check is deposited in your Netspend account via direct deposit, the funds should be available according to the deposit schedule. The third option is mail-in deposit. Some Netspend account may offer the option to mail in checks for deposit. Contact your Netspend customer service to inquire about this option and obtain instruction on how to mail in a check for deposit. Before depositing a check into a Netspend account, ensure that it meets Netspend eligibility and remember to endorse the check properly before attempting to deposit it. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. We hope we helped and thank you so much for tuning in.